You don't like chocolate milk?
No.
Do you like chocolate ice cream? I think you do like chocolate milk, but you don't like chocolate ice cream.
No, I sure don't.
I think you like vanilla ice cream. Are you a barbarian? You better wipe your face off. All clean?
Yeah.
Was that delicious?
Yes.
Now what?
I think you should read me a story.
Really?
Yeah.
Which story?
I'll put them of Mother Goose Tale in your room.
With the tongue twisters?
Yeah.
There was a little girl, and she had a little curl right in the middle of her forehead.
Oh,
And when she was good, she was very, very good. But when she was bad, she was horrid.
Those are tongue twisters.
Nope, that's just a poem.